In this video, I will show you how to convert image data into data sheet in Excel easily in 2024. For this work you need the latest version of Microsoft Office software. See, I convert this image into a data sheet in Excel using Excel. Open Microsoft Excel, open a blank workbook. Go to Data menu, click Data. Then click from Picture. Click Picture from File. See it analyzing the picture. Click Insert Data. Click Insert Anyway. See data converted successfully. Let's check cross-matching data. See all data imported successfully. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.